Welcome to JH. If you've ever spent way too much time trading on Roblox, you've definitely heard of Rolimons.com. It's marketed as the ultimate community-driven source for values, data, and updates on those precious limited items. Because apparently, we really needed a Wall Street for virtual hats and pixelated accessories. But the big question everyone keeps spamming in the comments is Rolimons actually legit? Let's break it down step by step, for those of us who haven't quite mastered the art of the deal yet. First off, let's look at the receipts. According to its domain registration, Rolimons was created back in August 2017. In internet years, that's practically ancient. Usually, scam sites disappear faster than your Robux after a new catalog drop, so the fact that it's been around for years adds a nice little layer of trust. Unlike your hopes of getting a Dominus for 3 Robux, this site has actually lasted. They even have a presence on Facebook, which is a bold choice in this decade. It shows they aren't exactly hiding in a dark basement, even if their users might be. They also provide a Roblox ID for support, making it easier for players to reach out in-game. It's a nice touch that makes the platform feel more accessible and community-friendly, rather than just a cold, heartless spreadsheet. Nothing says professional business, quite like a support line that lives inside a Lego-inspired metaverse. However, this is where the plot thickens. When you check Trustpilot, the reviews are about as stable as the Roblox servers on a Saturday. Some users are absolutely livid, claiming value changes are unfair or that the entire system is rigged. It's almost like people get upset when their digital investments lose value overnight. There are even reports of middleman deals gone wrong, where items vanished into the void after a buyer canceled. Pro tip: trusting a random middleman is about as safe as giving your house keys to a stranger just because they have a cool avatar. On the flip side, some users claim everything is perfectly fine, giving it 5 stars and a cool story, bro vibe. But let's be real, the angry voices are definitely louder than the happy ones. So is Rolimons legit? The short answer is yes. It's a long-running site with a public face and clear contact info, so the platform itself isn't trying to rob you. However, the mixed reviews and reports of scammy traders mean you need to keep your wits about you. Use the data if you must, but don't treat every random trader like your new best friend. Basically, the tool is fine. It's the people using it that might ruin your day. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to subscribe and try not to lose your virtual shirt while trading.